What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be going inside businesses and I'm going to be trying to buy things that you have to be 18 or 21 to buy, and I'm going to be giving them this ID. Chip Skylark.
Is that Gucci Mane?
Yeah, it is. Is that Green Day? Can I get a pack of Marlboro 100s?
Red?
Yeah.
Do you have ID?
Yeah.
That's not you.
Wait, you mean
That is not you, hon.
I like how she had to double check it to like make sure it was real. Hey, could I get a vape? I'm trying to get a fat vapor.
Yeah, you got your ID?
Yeah.
Dude, that ain't you! This guy comes in your old town.
You want to smile?
Yeah, smile. That ain't you, dude. There ain't no way.
So apparently Gucci Mane vapes. We're about to go buy some adult beverages. I was wondering if I could buy this adult beverage.
Yep, can I see your ID? I'm gonna have to say no when I have to call cops.
Okay, bye. Alright guys, so I guess the ID didn't work. I don't know why, it works for people all the time, but I guess not for me. Like, I thought I did it right and everything, like I printed it for my computer. Thanks, Gucci Mane, you let me down, man. I've never listened to Lemonade again either. Don't litter. Alright guys, so I decided to give the ID one more chance. We're gonna get serious this time. We're going to the club.
Gucci Mane.